thought he'll be good and kind and help me and all that. So he brought one cow. He said, "This is very good, madam, you know, all that." I looked at it. I felt something was wrong, but I didn't know what was wrong. And so I said, "Okay, fine, we will finance this cow and all." I went home. I told my mother, "I don't know, I feel funny, there's something wrong with the cow." So she looked at me and she said, "Don't you realize the cow was pregnant?" Really, I tell you, I mean, I felt so bad. I mean, I didn't know. And then next day I went to them, because we cannot finance pregnant cows, you know, that was a problem. The next day I called that fellow and I said, "Till I leave this branch, whatever you give to me, I will discount 100% of it." See, that's how, what I want you people to understand is you have to learn. And keep on learning, because at every stage we have to learn. Okay, then let me, what happened? Oh, then I can share with you one more. You know, we had a man who was selling fish in the village. He came and put a fixed deposit. So he told me, "Madam, you keep it for 6 months. I said, "Fine." Put it for 6 months. Then he went off. I also went off. Then promptly after 6 months, he came back and said, I said, "Bank I went to the bank. The maturity time was still 20 days off. So I told him, in the village branch, everything happens, you know, the tea shop is there, everybody is waiting for the bus and all that. He told everybody, what is happening, you know, I didn't know. I looked at that fellow and I said, "What rubbish." You know what he was doing? Tamil connect quoted as that. So that 20 days, I just could not, you know, convince him what was happening. In fact, I had to catch hold of that village representative and tell him, "Sir, nadakave mudiyala road la avara paathu na bayanga odren konjam solunga sir avurkitta." See, these are all the things that we have. Now let me move on to the review meetings. I had to go to Tiruchi for the review meeting. Our comrades from Tiruchi are not here? Oh, you're here. There you are. So I went all the way to Tiruchi for my peer review meetings. And believe me or not, I was the only lady branch manager. And on both sides of me, they will leave the chairs vacant. Because nobody wanted to sit next to me. So, and there were a lot of whispering. They will stand. These branch managers, male branch managers, would rather stand than come and sit next to me. I used to feel so bad. And finally, I used to take a book, sit and read the book. Till, you know, till all the GMs or whoever came for the meeting. Put my handbag in one seat. Put my file in another seat. Now I said, "Goodbye. You stand, you stand." Now at least today we don't face these problems, right? You have so many. In fact, let me share with you, I was pleasurably surprised. In my network, I have 90 lady branch managers. Hands off to everyone. So now the maids will have to look for a chair to sit on. And I would also like to say in the same forum that the lady branch managers are doing extremely well, much better than the So then let me tell you that the world is full of perceptions. When I moved as AGM Tiruchirappalli, in that branch we had 250 staff, and actually I was quite scared of that posting. To see 250 people, I was wondering how I would manage. A CGM who has earlier worked in that branch came, and in the open hall he told all the people there, "Who posted this chit of a female in this branch? They have absolutely no sense." And he also said, within 1 month, she will be transferred. I called him to my room. I said, "At least, sir, you could have told it in my room. There was no need to tell it in the open door." See, but perceptions are very difficult to change. And I was also scared. I gave myself 3 months. In 3 months, I cannot cope with this branch. I will go and ask for a change. I'm happy to say that I lasted 3 years. One more thing I'll tell you, as you go up the ladder, when the bank makes more demands on you, please don't ever forget the demands of your family. I gave my son a promise that every birthday I will be with him, no matter what my official commitment was. And I'm happy to tell you that every year I have been able to meet it. I just don't care, I'm always there. You must remember your children matter. You must be there when they want you to be there. think I will not take more of your time. I'll tell you one more incident. See, as women, we do not go out much. After joining the bank, I was expected to travel, expected to stay outside. So my parents and everybody were quite upset. So I got a big list of to-dos and not to-dos when I went out. I said, okay. I went to a hotel for the very first time, and I remembered everything. This fellow put the key in the slot. He went off. I remembered what I'd been told. Take the key. Keep it carefully. And so I took it out, put it under the pillow. The lights went off. I didn't know there was any connection between light and that. So then what happened? I said, my God, the lights went off in a different city, in a room, in a hotel. What am I going to do? So I sat 10 minutes sweating. Then finally I picked up the receiver and I told the reception that something's wrong with the lights. You send somebody. They sent somebody. That fellow came and gave me one dirty look and said, where's the key? Imagine. I said, what key? No key. He said, madam, give me the key. I said, but why do you want the key? He says, you give it to me, I'll show you. Then he put it there. Can you imagine? He must have laughed and laughed and laughed downstairs about me that day. So the next day when the branch manager of some branch I was visiting came, I said, I don't care. You change the hotel, I will not stay here. You know, that's what I'm trying to tell you. It's nice to laugh about, but at every stage I tell you, I have felt so bad. And precisely because we had no mentors. That is another thing which is happening today. All lady officers are now having mentors. You can ask somebody for anything. If you have a doubt, you can ask. Well, anyway, what shall I tell you? And I cannot, of course, leave out my Bombay friends. I spent 8 years in Bombay, and let me tell you, ladies, it's a revelation. Because there's one difference between the ladies in Bombay and the ladies over here. I used to ask my clerks in my office, where do you get time? They get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, they cook, they send their children to school. We also do that. But the only thing is we don't lose 4 hours a day to travel. And traveling in that train, I tell you, is enough to kill you. When they first told me, madam, office ku vandale podu neenga vera neram potu vanden kekringa. I didn't understand. Until I travel in the train, I do know how much of a strain it is. Then again 6 o'clock they leave, 2 hours in the train. After dinner they wash the vessels, then they wash the clothes, they go to bed at 12 o'clock. What kind of a life is it, you tell me? Then I asked them, then where do you find time to change all your earrings? All those ladies will change the earrings. Bangles, earrings, lipstick, everything. Hats off to you, yeah? Where do you? I mean, you should have the energy, you should have a positive outlook. We don't have. In Chennai, we have so much of time. And then I realized this is what sets apart these people from us. And I also learned not to crib so much, Every time I'll say, Idu nalla alle. Idu nalla, in Bombay. Bombay, I went and said, I would read only the Hindu. If Bombay had the Times, I might as well read the Times, no? No. The first year I also behaved so stupidly. And my friend told me, as long as you hate Mumbai, Rita, Mumbai will hate you. And she's true. I could never get attached to Mumbai for the first year. But today I will be very happy to go back there. Once again, I am back here because of family considerations. As I told you, at every point in our career, you have to decide what is more important. Your family is important or your career is important. And remember, it is your individual choice. And once you have chosen, please don't say, if only. Life can never go ahead if you keep on saying, you have chosen, stick to your choice. And now, sir, I would just like to talk about your transfer policy. Lots of changes have come. You yourself have mentioned some of them. We never had a spouse policy. It was on paper, but now it is actually happening. Second is the sabbatical. Maybe if we had all had sabbatical, we would also have gone and studied. Now at least the ladies who have joined without going ahead, they can go back, study, and then move up in the ladder. And one more thing I'll share with you. This clerical staff exam for officers exam which happened recently. This girl had qualified for the interview. Her interview was, say, tomorrow. And actually she was full term, she was carrying. She was supposed to deliver 2 weeks hence. So she came with her father and all to come for the interview. And the day prior to the interview, she went into labor pains and she was admitted. Now I asked the CDO, what is the rule? how will this girl, you expect her to write the exam all over again? And he said, there is no precedent. I said, sir, 50% of the workforce changing into ladies, you have to change the rules. These are things which will be commonplace in the days to come. So you have to change it. See, you will get working at home, flexible timings, so many things. And you know, actually Kerala is much ahead of us, let me tell you. They used to have a creche in office, in zonal office, Trivandrum. I still remember, it used to be more like a school. I said, the first day I reported, I said, what is this? They said, what do you mean, what is this? Who will look after our children when we look after your work? I said, agreed. So let it be. In Chennai, of course, the day has yet to come. So maybe it will come. So then I would just like to end with telling you that I'd like to quote to you something in Tamil. And I hope you won't laugh at my Tamil because it's not considered to be great. Anyway. நீ உன்னை அறிந்தால் உலகத்தில் போராடலாம் வாழ்ந்தாலும் தாழ்ந்தாலும் தலைவணங்காமல் நீ வாழலாம். I wish every one of you that you come up
once again அரங்கம் நிறைந்த கரகோஷங்கள். As you said, hats off to all the lady comrades who dedicated their service, everything, and provided a stepping stone for us to approach everything easily. Thank you, madam. Hats off, hats off. Next, we have one more warrior princess. Vai kai kir kir ena neer veliyeti